Hello mga amigas, dili amigas but friends, as well as tanamams, dads, atis, kuyas, uncles, aunties, plantitos and plantitas, lolos and lulas, and mga angarais. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, kindly tap the like and subscribe button. So I'm sorry because I am very busy. It took a week before I have my next upload, my next video on plants. So what makes this plant na potol? What makes this plant more appealing? It is because of this lobed. Kaya ako na lang puwason kay napuwas. But I am sorry plant ha, kay napuwas. Okay, so what makes this plant beautiful and it is because of the lobed of this plant and the presence of bristly. So, what family is this plant? It belongs to my favorite family, Araceae. And still family, genus Philodendron. But later na ang species. So let us talk first on what are the distinct characteristic of this kind of plant. I am sorry, naputol. Okay, anyway, do not worry because it has plenty of foliage. Daghan iyang dahon. Okay, one distinct character para mailhan nato ni siya, it is because of the lobed leaf. Okay, so in other words, the shape of this tanom is oak leaf shape. So mura siyang oak. What about ang iyang margin? Because of the presence of lobe, okay, lobes. So this means it is lobate margin. How many? For this kind of plant, there are 5 distinct lobe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one, 5. Another characteristic of this, aside from the margin, which is lobate, is that of the presence of hair or bristles at the petiole. So again, what is the petiole? It is the connection. It is the structure between the stem and the leaf. So this is the petiole. So what is striking about this is, okay, ang iyang stem, ang iyang petiole, I mean, is red with the bristles or hair, which is ang uban is green, others are red. So kung inyong lilion din red siya, others, okay, nasa lower part of the petiole, it is green. So let us, I would like you to see this one. Okay, see the red petioles. Okay, asa ang red na petiole? Yara. Okay, this one. And this is the stem with matching prop roots or secondary roots. Okay, so what is really the name of that hair at the petiole? Okay, it is known as pubescent or pubescence. Yeah, pubescence. What is the function of the pubescence or kanang hair structures? Okay, or pubescence lagi. It lowers transpiration. So when we say transpiration, it is the release of water vapor from the inside to the outside. So i-lower na niya kay nga naman because of this one. Another one is it is going to protect the petiole, the plant, from attack of insects. So mao gid na siya, that is why it is fuzzy siya. So ang kanang hair diha, kanang pubescence, either green siya or red, and actually the petiole is red. Nakita man ninyo kaganiha, no? Another thing is ang iyang tip is aristate or aristulate. So aristate or aristulate, okay, pointed siya. Okay, ang iyang margin kay lobate because how many lobes gani kana ra gid yung hinumduman, 5 kabuk ang iyang lobes. But based from my readings, mudaghan daw na siya as it matures, but downstairs na among gid ko, this one is bigger, huh? Okay, so just like similar to my face, dako gid ay kung nagwa. Okay, dayon the base is cordate. Okay, gayong ana siya. Cordate ang iyang base. Ang iyang venation is parallel supinate siya. Ang veins, kung atong tanawon, ang adacial, okay, green, dark green. Okay, dark green and it is glossy. But the abacial, ang iyang back portion, gray-green. Again, adacial, dark green, abacial, gray-green ang iyang color. Okay, how are we going to propagate? Saan pagpadaghan ani? Okay, obviously, akong ipakita sa inyo. Okay, we are going to cut the stem. See to it that when you are by stem cutting, in other words, based from my readings, this can be propagated through seeds. Pero this one, I have noticed ng akong this kind of plant is wala pa na ako na-observe nga na siya flower inflorescence. Okay, wala pa na ako nakita iyang space. Okay, na siya mga pero pag na ako nakita itong puti niya nga, that is for philodendron. So what is really the scientific name for this one? This one is Philodendron Squamiferum. Genus Philodendron, okay, and species Squamiferum. Okay, so what is distinct character of this one is the petioles are hairy. The name of the hair is pubescence. Okay, so what is the common name for this? Unsa man dagid ang iyang common name for this kind of plant? Common name is hairy philodendron or red bristle philodendron. Hairy philodendron or red bristle philodendron. Why red bristle? It is because ang iyang stem is red or burgundy with hairs nga naay red sa upper portion which is near the leaf. Okay, doon sa leaf, and ang naa sa ubos is greenish. Okay, so ing ana ang atong So again, kanang iyang hair structure din gitawag kana siya nga pubescence. However, please be careful in biting. Do not bite because of the presence of calcium oxalate, wherein it causes stomach ache as well as swelling of the tongue. So, swelling of the tongue. Okay, so never ingest this one because of the presence of calcium oxalate. Okay. And another thing, this is perennial. So in other words, it can live longer. And it is also, what's best about this one is, it is a climber. So what I need with my Philodendron Squamiferum is a pole, a coconut pole, so that it can grow tall. It can climb because this one is a climber or an epiphytic. Another thing is, having an oak leaf. So there is a difference between that of the juvenile leaf and the adult leaf. Tanaw na to. Okay, so mas prominent in my observation, the lobes, the dahon of the leaf of the juvenile leaf of Philodendron Squamiferum is naapa siya lobe distinct. But as it grows older, okay, murag it seems that the lobes will disappear. I really don't know. Okay, I think the lobes becomes smaller. Okay, mugamay di ay magkipot, mag smaller ang lobe sa adult leaf of our Philodendron Squamiferum. Accordingly, this was introduced in 1845. Okay, na-introduce the first introduction of Philodendron Squamiferum is 1845. Always remember that when you are going to plant your Philodendron Squamiferum, the medium should be well-drained soil. So in other words, it's a mixture of a garden soil. Rice hulls could do that. You could add rice hulls as well as chunk of coconut husk, coconut chunks katong iyang unsa na. Another thing, You can have corn cobs. Okay, pwede na siya for, and then it needs water. Okay, amount needs plenty of water, but it should be well drained. Okay, it doesn't like direct sunlight. No, dili siya ganahan for unsa ni direct sunlight. So again, this one is family Araceae, genus Philodendron, species Squamiferum, or commonly known as hairy philodendron, as well as bristly red philodendron. Okay, red bristle philodendron. Okay, see, it's oak leaf structure. So again, to our plantitos and plantitas, plant moms and plant dads, plant lolas and plant lolos. Okay, please do not fail to subscribe to my channel, Mommy Scrups channel, for more updates, for more videos. It's not updates, for more plant videos on how do we identify our plants, so that because it is season now. Okay, so happy planting, moms and dads. Thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, kindly tap the like and subscribe button for Mommy Scrups channel. God bless everybody.